Good. Let's do shuffle step. Out, in, step, switch. Out, in, good job. Keep going. Out, in, step. Good. Start in the back. Start in the back. Out, in, step. Good job. Out, in, step. Good job. You got it. Out, in, step. Start in the back. Lift it up in the back. There you go. 3 sounds. 1, 2, step. Good. 1, 2, step. Good. Just 3. Out, in, step. One more. Out, in, step. Good. Can you stop? Step on the star. And find mom. Give her a pose. Yay! And march, march, march. And yep, next. Come on over. Yes. Oh, awesome. Love that. Good. Remember, there's gum on your shoe, right? So put that gum on. And then scrape it off. There you go. Make some sounds. Out, in, step. Out, in, step. In the back for me. Start with this. Out, in, step. There you go. You got it. Out, in, step. Yes, now can you stretch your arms out? You can, whoa, slippery, slippery. It's a slippery floor today, huh? Out, in, step. You got it. Good. Now stretch those arms out. Yes. Now keep that head up. Whoa, careful. Look up. Look up. That'll help. If we look down at the floor, we'll fall down on the floor. There you go. Now look at Dad and give a nice pose. Good. And march. Come on over. Yeah. Shuffle step. Ready? Awesome. Keep going. Good. Now remember, there's gum on your shoe. So put that gum on your shoe. And now let's scrape it off your shoe. So touch your toe top. There you go. Touch your toe top to the floor. Scrape the gum off your shoe. Good job. Now keep moving. You gotta keep moving forward. Yeah, you got it. Good. Now try it on the other foot too. Out, in, good. Stretch those arms out. Good. Scrape that gum off your shoe. You got it. Keep going. Good. Keep that head up. Yes, scrape the gum up. Good. Start in the back. Out, in, step. You got it. Yes, you got it. Yes, keep going. Out, in, step. Good. Remember, there's gum on your shoe. You gotta scrape it off. There you go. That's right. Keep going. Whoa, that was a big one. That was the biggest one you ever had. Good job. Awesome. And go ahead right to the stop and give Dad a pose. Yay. Good job. Hey, come on. Sorry. And stretch those arms out. Shut. March it out. And freeze. Good. Now let go. And I'm going to spread you out. And put your hands on your waist. Good. Right here is good. I'm going to do this for you. And go ahead. You're doing an awesome job. And right here. Awesome job. Good. One last thing before we change our shoes. We're going to do the monkey song. But this time we're going to do it this way, right? So when they say no more monkeys, I want you to turn to your neighbor and say, no more monkeys. Can you do it with me? No more monkeys. Stop those feet because you're mad. Stop those feet. Understand? No more monkeys. Stop it up. How do you say? No more monkeys. Yes. Okay? So you can be happy until you say no more monkeys. Then you have to get mad. Yes.
I got the same skirt again.
Oh, yeah, we're twins. We're twins. We're twins today. Okay, here we go. Feet together, hands on your waist, show me you're ready. Big smiles because we have an audience, right? We have an audience, so we are recording. Here we go. Bounce for me. Bounce. You keep smiling now. Let me see your teeth. There you go. Stretch your arms. Heel. 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 Stretch those arms. Heel. Heel. Good job. Hands and heel. sparkle fairy dust on your unicorn. Catch it, put it on your wings or your horn. And we're going to tiptoe run and leap. So you're going to leap up and over the rainbow. Yes? On the count of 3. 1. Fall asleep. Fall asleep. Fall asleep. 1, 2, 3. Wake up. Tiptoe run. Tiptoe. Arms in first. Arms in first. And leap over the rainbow. Good tiptoe run. Arms up. Arms in first position. And leap over the rainbow. We'll have two groups. And we'll do our fours across the floor, okay? Because we're going to do stars and blues, just blues. Okay, when you get to the green, you're going to go to first position. And you're going to go all the way up with your arms, tiny baby chorus, all the way across. And when you get to the blue dot, you're going to, what are you going to do? Plie, that's right. And then you're going to skip all the way and have a seat, okay? So there'll be a group of two and a group of three. Looks like you guys are ready. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. First position. Show me first position. Let me see first position. Heels are touch. Good job. Arms up like a big sun. Tiny baby steps. Tiny baby quarters on your party shoes, on your releve. When you get to the blue, you're going to freeze. Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. And first position, you're going to show me a plie. We're going to show me a plie. Good job. And you're going to skip and skip and skip and beautiful. And next you come on over. Arms are nice job, high five. And go ahead, Arabesque. And let's see, come on over. Arms out. Good. Go ahead. Tiptoe over. Lee, good job. Show me an arabesque. Good job. And next, Alexandra, come on over. Tiptoe run. Nice job. Whoa, careful. That was a big one. That was a big one. Show me arabesque. And Alexis, come on over. Good job. Tiptoe run. Good job. High five. Nice. Can I see everybody in an arabesque? Good. Now remember, the leg that's on the floor is in your half pizza position. And your arabesque is foot pointed, leg nice and straight. Remember you have a crown on, so keep that head up. Don't worry, your leg will do the work. You don't have to hold it, I promise. Point your foot. Good job. Let that leg come all the way up. Straighten that leg. Beautiful. Straighten that leg. Point those toes. Good. And reach way up with the leg. Good. I know it's tough. And shake it out. Shake it out. We're going to do the leg you didn't do last time. So the other leg. So go back to first position. Go to first position. Do the other leg. Stretch it all the way behind you. Make sure your supporting leg, the leg that's not up, is in your half pizza position. Point that foot. Good job. And arabesque, stretch that leg. Turn it out. Turn those toes out. Good. Remember you have a crown on, dancers. Where's your crown? Lift it up, up, up. Good job. Straighten your leg. Point those toes. Beautiful. Way up, way up, way up. Good job. And come back to first and saute for me. Saute, shake it up, 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 shake it up. Good job. And have a seat for me. Have a seat. I know that was tough. Hard work. Cracker. Right? You do it. She's a prince, she's a soldier, right?
Can you show me a spin around like you just did?